Are you okay?
Yeah.
You look a little cold. Tie a jacket on for you.
We're doing gags, right?
No. What are you doing? What are you?
Let's do gags. I'm just measuring your wrist.
Oh, it's that big. Ow, ow, ow.
All right. What are we doing?
Oh my God. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Hello.
Welcome back to
What's Safeword?
I'm Amp.
I'm Miss Christopher.
And today
We're doing another bondage tie.
Yay, what are we tying?
You.
Oh, I meant the top. Walk right into that one.
We are going to do a straightjacket tie. The reason we call it a straightjacket tie is because it makes your arms go across and hug yourselves like a straightjacket.
It's also great for a rainy day.
Why is that?
Well, because jackets. So I'm sure you guys have all seen a straightjacket before. They hug, they wrap, they constrict, and they make it so you can't really move your upper body much. It looks like you're making out with yourself. But if you're looking to buy a straightjacket, they are very expensive. The price point is around a couple $100s to even $1,000, depending on how complicated and intricate your straightjacket is. Are you okay?
You know what's not expensive?
No, what?
Rope!
I was gonna say me, but
that's even cheaper. This is a tie that is really quick and easy, and it's one that Amp and I came up with ourselves.
So what we did is we sat down for an afternoon and we took 2 pieces of rope and we just tried tying them together until we found a bondage tie that not only constricted, but kept you in one spot and you couldn't really wiggle out of it easily.
The other thing I like about this tie is it kind of keeps the arms out of the way, but everything below is fair game and the bottom or victim can't get to it.
Can you keep your arms there, but now wiggle your nose?
Why?
You look like a genie.
That's great. What if I can get a new co-host?
Hey! So, what do we need for today's tie?
All you need is 2 pieces of rope that are the same length. Today we're doing 15-foot pieces.
And you can adjust the rope depending on the body size. For instance, when we were using the 15 feet rope, it almost didn't fit Christopher, and on me it was a little bit too much, so you can adjust as necessary. The first step for this tie is to get the person you're going to be tying naked from the waist up so that your shirt doesn't get in the way.
Oh.
Hey, I don't like this new, this is not a thing.
This is amazing.
And next, you're going to create a cat's paw on each of your bottom's arms. Find the middle of the rope or the bite, separate your hands a few inches, and then twist in 1, 2, 3 times. Connect those 2 holes, and then slide your appendage through, pulling from the bottom until it tightens and it feels nice and snug.
Yay, now that we got that one done, same exact thing on the second one. Stick your paw in there, puppy. Yay! Easy to tighten, and it locks so he can't constrain himself any further.
Once you have both cat's paws, or in my case, puppy paws, you're gonna go ahead and hug yourself with your hands going underneath your armpits and wrapping all the way around into the back. From the back, you're gonna tie a nice square knot going over and under, and then switching direction and going over and under again.
Once that's tight, bring it up over the shoulders and around the front.
From the front, you're gonna put both ends through your arms and underneath. Just like so.
Once the rope is all the way through, bring it up, making sure all of your rope is nice and flat. Grab your harness coming over the shoulders. So it goes around like that. Create a little bit of a bite as you come around and bring your rope up through that hole in the middle and pull it tight, locking that knot in place. So once you have that knot locked in place, you can tuck the excess underneath, and now your victim is hugging themselves. They can't do anything. They can't get out. And now I can take his pants off.
But whether you're dreaming of genie or just waiting for a rainy day to practice your bondage, always have a safe word. And today's safe word is?
Genie in a bottle.
Because?
I can rub you the right way.
Aguilera, can I get another co-host, please?
See if this works.
This is not consent. Leave a comment down below of what you want to see next time. Don't forget to ring that bell thing down there. Thank you. Because a lot of people are saying they're not getting our videos in their subscription box, so that's disheartening.
And don't forget to leave a like down below if you like these videos.
And we'll see you guys next time on What's a Safe Word. Bye.
Bye. Wave, puppy.
Oh, I can still tickle you.
Wave. No, wave.
I am waving.
Ooh, look. I can get to your butt. Come here, puppy.
Do a leg tie next time. Wow.
Why do you love yourself so much?
Back. Self-love is important, you guys.
Self-love.
Self-love is important.
Self-love.
Love yourself.
Look, see, he's got a handle back here too.
This is not self-love.
This is
This is abuse.